Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 7a, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, I'm going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen, which will reveal our toggles, and on one of the pages we should have a screen recording toggle. For me it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It gives you a couple options like record audio, device, microphone, or both, and obviously if it's toggled off then nothing. And below that we also have the record touches on the screen, which will just add a semi-transparent gray dot to the recording to signify where your finger was pressing the display. So I'm going to now select start, which will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin recording. So, like I mentioned, whatever we will do right now will be recorded by the device. Just kind of fiddling around. And once you're done, you can just find this right here, the notification, click on the stop, there we go, and this will automatically save the recording to your Photos application. So from here we can open it up and view our screen recording. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.